to a new video, and today we are going to be continuing on this Hilux. And since the last episode I've been quietly working on it and it's now on max. It's still a gas, but I don't really care about that. So today we are going to be putting tires on it. So let's go to customize tires. I don't want to get expensive ones because I like my budget. I don't really want to break it. So I think we should buy this one. We'll buy that tire. Let's go here. Add the tire. And now let's go to rims. There's a lot more now since the update. Alright, I think let's do one of the new rims. Ooh, that's not bad. With a bead lock too, that's not bad. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do these with, what's it? Scroll. There we are. Let's see now. Go back. Bead lock that. So we got bead lock tires now. There we are. That's not bad. Alright, I think we should add some customization. That's pretty good. I'm gonna add that. I won't add much. I'll just add a light bar. And I'll add rear bar. That's all. I'll add. Frick! Don't have enough. Let's get rid of the rear bar. There we are. $3,000. So now this is what it looks like. Let's go to tuning. Tune suspension, because the travel though. The travel is horrendous. Travel is absolutely ridiculous. Let's add some more travel. It should be good, eh? That's pretty high. Let's go to height and height. There we are. Let's add wheel width at the back. Let's just do it to both. Width. Axle radius is needed. Okay. So we need axis width. There we are. That's pretty good. A little further, but that shouldn't be a problem. Let's go to here and test the flex. The flex is pretty good. That'll last. Alright, now we got this pretty boy. And also, just to let you know, if you haven't played this in a while, there's character customization. There's weapons. I've got one right now. Just equipped it, and I bought a new car with a canopy design, and it's got these exhaust right there. Anyway, haven't put exhaust on the main focus of the video. So let's why isn't it? Okay, there we are. So we got this, no exhaust on the back, shouldn't really matter. And there's also new engine sounds, which I'm pretty excited to see. So let's head out onto a map. Let's go to Rock Park, and there's also day-night settings, which is, I think, is pretty cool. And listen to that. That's pretty good. Woo! That's pretty good. I've driven it around for a bit. Now let's go to some rock obstacles. Turn noise down so you can actually hear me talk. Oh, Okay, alright. Here's the rock obstacle here. I'll show you. You can actually exit your car now, which I'll show you in a second. I'll just test this vehicle's capabilities. There we are, up here. That's pretty capable. That's pretty good. Alright, let's try and crawl up here. Anyway, so I'll show you this. Look at this. You can go outside your vehicle. That's so cool. Apparently you can shoot down birds. Like this right here. Shoot down a bird. Oh, there we are. Shot a bird. Let's go into the car and go down. Where's the bird? Where's the, oh, I think it's a green thing over there. I think it's a green thing over there. Now let's head over there. Let's drive off the rock cause they're savages. Alright, let's go to the bird. Ooh. Oh, nearly dodged a tree. Okay, let's exit. Oh, why'd I shoot? Okay. You have to. There we are. You get a bird for $1,000. What's this, a dodo or something? Oh, I need to reload. Oh god. Where's this bird? I'm gonna try to. Oh god. Oh, suck. Poof. Poof. Ah. No, I lost that bird. Here's a bird. I need to reload again. Oh gosh, so close. There we are. Here's a bird. Let's run to it. There we are, $1,000. Let's head back to the car. I'm so glad Off-Road Outlaws did this. Ooh. Alright, let's hunt one more bird. Let's go find a bird. There's a bird. I want to find a bird. It's so cool in this game. It's like fun. Is there any birds? Or am I blind? I think there's a bird. Oh, frick. One more bullet until we have to reload. Ah. Too far away. Where's another bird? Go reload. Why can't auto reload? That's just stupid. Okay, there's lots of birds. Oh gosh. Yes, got him. Let's take the car this time. Let's take the car. Get in the car. We gotta get a bird. Let's go get the bird. No, it wasn't that far away, actually. Oh, you can't even get it in your car. You have to get out. Let's stop. There we are. Let's grab this bird. Last bird of the day. Oh, $2 grand for that bird. Wow. Anyway, guys, hope you liked this video. Project builds. Hope you like how the truck turned out. And see you guys next time. Peace.